Z mano so Los Explosivos iz Mehike in nam bodo najprej nekaj povedali, kaj so se do danes naučili slovenskega.
Yes.
Okay. I love you.
Okay. So, when I first heard your music, I thought of the Hives. Do you like them? Are they your role models or?
Of course, we like them, but it's not kind of a big influence for us. You know, we prefer the Sonics and the Makers, the Mummies, but the Hives, we love them.
What about you? You like the Hive?
Yeah, I like a lot. It's a good band, but I prefer more 60s shit. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So you were the guy who said we should make a Louis song.
Yeah, I'm that guy.
So is there a story behind the cover?
What? When we hear it at the Simpsons series, we decide to play it. No, we love that song. We have listened with a lot of bands who played the same, and we decided to make it in Spanish version, and it sounds cool.
How strong is rock and roll scene in Mexico?
That's strong scene in Mexico.
Oh, the girl.
Apachurro, mojo y despeino. Hey! Okay.
Sempre!
In Mexico right now is growing up the rock and roll and the garage music there, and it's a really good scene now in Mexico. A lot of good bands. There are new bands, but it's growing up, just growing up.
Now tell me, can a band be a real rock and roll band without living the rock and roll life?
No.
Yeah, I think yes. We're gonna fight. Okay. Sorry. I think the bands can be really rock and roll, and with the kind of the life need a jobs and everything for do it at travels and continue the rock and roll, for buy strings or buy all the shit for do it.
And I think this is your first time in Slovenia. What do you know about Slovenia?
We know women's.
Nice women.
Nice women. Tasty food. Good friends.
Yeah.
Good vibes of the people.
And good language.
Oh, well, difficult language.
How does the language sound to you? Like Russian or?
No, Russian.
Like German.
Okay, for me it's kind of I don't know. When I see the World Cup of football and I see the Croatia teams and Popescu, Vanescu, and Cescu, that it sounds like this for me, but I don't know them.
Okay. So can you order beer in Slovenian language?
No.
Shall I teach you?
Oh,
Yeah.
sure,
Okay.
please.
Okay.
Please.
Eno pivo prosim.
Eno pivo prosim.
You're from Slovenia. I knew it. So, thank you guys.